Welcome back. Today I will show you how to automate Excel with the Claude AI. From cleaning messing data to creating pivot tables, everything can be done in just a one click. Let's get started. Let's see how it works. Here is the raw data we are starting with. As you can see, it's unstructured, messy, and lack proper formatting. Normally, cleaning, organizing data like this can take hours or even a day. But today we are going to do it in just a few seconds. Now comes the real magic. Open your browser and search for Claude AI. Sign in using your Google account. Once you are inside, copy the first prompt provided in the description and paste into a Claude AI. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a complete VBA micro for cleaning and formatting your data. Simply download, copy the generated code. Next, go to Excel, open a developer tab, click on a Visual Basics, then select Insert and Module. Paste the VBA code into a module. Close the editor. Now create a button using a shape in Excel. Right click the button and select Assign Micro. Choose Clean and Format Data and click OK. Watch this carefully. When I click the button, a message appears. Data cleaned and formatted successfully. With just a one click, several important formatting and cleaning tasks are complete automatically. Imagine how much time it would take to perform all this action manually. This is the power of Excel automation. Now let's move on to pivot table. Creating multiple pivot tables manually can be time consuming and repetitive, but we are going to automate that as well. Paste it into Claude AI. Claude AI will generate another VBA micro specifically for the pivot table. Copy the generated code and return to Excel. Next, go to Excel, open a developer tab, click on a Visual Basics, then select Insert and Module. Paste the code into a new module. Close the editor. Next, create another button or using existing one. Right click it, select Assign Micro and choose Create Pivot Table and click OK. Now when I click the button, all required pivot tables are created automatically within a second. You will see them being generated one by one without any manual efforts. If you were to do this manually, it could take a significant amount of time. But this with Claude AI and VBA automation, everything is completely in few seconds. Try it yourself and experience the magic of automating Excel with just a one click.